Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming eligibility. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Once confirmed, enable two-step verification for your Google account and complete channel verification so YouTube recognizes you as the owner. Next, open YouTube Studio and navigate to Monetization to start the application. Make sure you have an active AdSense account or create one now. This is how you will get paid. Move through these items in order so the review you now apply inside YouTube Studio by selecting Monetization and following the partner program flow. During the process, choose ad formats like display and skippable video ads, confirm your channel country, and ensure your AdSense details are correct. Once done, review each video for copyright claims and community guideline risks. Strikes block monetization. Make sure your content is ad-friendly and clearly described because the review checks metadata, thumbnails, and titles. If you keep everything consistent, the automated checks move faster. You'll wait for YouTube's review after applying. Timelines vary from days to several weeks depending on volume. When approved, go back to YouTube Studio and enable ads plus optional features like memberships, super chat, and merch shelves to diversify income. If you're rejected, read the reason in your dashboard, fix issues such as reused content or strikes, and reapply after addressing them. One key tip: if watch hours or subscriber counts were flagged, double-check analytics for public visibility, and remove any private or deleted videos that skew eligibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.